Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. So in this video I will show you how to active free VPN in Motorola Edge 17 Fusion. First of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on search bar, search VPN. Now here you will see VPN. Select VPN that you want to install. Now click on VPN and click on install. After complete installation, click on open. Click on allow. Click on continue. Again click on allow. Wait few seconds. Now click on auto select and now here you will see language. Select that you want. After selecting language, click on connect. Click on OK. Now VPN will be connected from your phone. Now go back. After that, open setting. Scroll down, click on network and internet. Click on VPN. Click on VPN setting and turn on this button. This is how you can active free VPN in Motorola Edge 17 Fusion. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.